What is up, you guys? Dan Farrow here, and Highlevel just released a new feature called followers. Now, with this feature, what you're able to do is you're able to add up to 10 followers on an opportunity so that you can have up to 10 different people follow that deal to completion. Now, where might this be useful? So if you're in setter closer models, if you're doing project management, or doing anything along the lines where you have multiple people who have to keep track of a certain project, this is right up your alley. So with that said, let's take a look and see how it works. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our settings and then go into our staff. We're gonna find our users. In this case, I'm going to go into this user. I'm gonna make sure he has the only assigned data activated, meaning that he can only see the leads that are assigned to him. Right? So it is. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go into our opportunities. I'm going to find an opportunity, which I already have one created here. Go into it and look for followers right here. So if we want, we just can add a follower there. Click update. So we see we have an owner and a follower. Click update. Exit that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as that user, and I'm going to see if I can see it in my pipeline. So give that a second. Log in, and you see in my pipeline, I am logged in as this guy, as myself, and you can see that I am a follower here, but I cannot edit the owner. So that's a big caveat here. If you are a follower of a project or of an opportunity, you're actually able to update the owner, which is probably good. You know, if you want the owner to be a specific person, maybe like a project manager, you don't want the follower to be able to update the settings and stuff of who actually owns the deal. So there's that. So how would I use this myself? So I work with a lot of door-to-door teams, and I would probably use this in a project management sense. So in door-to-door, a lot of the times you'll have what's called an appointment setter who actually goes and knocks doors and sets appointments. Then you'll have a closer. He'll pass that lead off to a closer who will then take it to the finish line and actually get the project through to the end. And so what I would do is actually go to Form Builder. And I've already built this form out, but let's check it out really quick. So we have our sold deal form, which I created with customer information. So we get their customer's first name, last name, email, phone number, then sales rep information. So the closer's name and the setter's name. Now in this case, once that form is submitted, I would do an automation like so. And so I'll do the pipeline. Once that form is submitted, I would assign a user. In this case, I would assign like a project manager, like I said, create an opportunity. And it doesn't seem like there is a way to automate followers yet. I'm sure it's very soon on the docket and it will be coming out. But for now, we're not able to add followers. So what I did is I decided to add a task. Please add setter closer, setter name this, closer name that. I'm assigning it to the assigned user, which would be the project manager, and it's due now. So let's save that action, save, and easy. That's basically what I would do right now. So as you can see, there's a ton of advantages to using this feature, mostly centered around having multiple people look at one opportunity at once. Now, a couple of disadvantages that have not been corrected yet are the ability to use automation with this feature, meaning you have to add followers manually right now, which isn't always the most effective use of somebody's time. And secondly, I'd love to see GoHigh implement a way that we can minimize the amount of editing that a follower can actually do. So for example, if there's an appointment setter on a deal, we don't want them to be able to edit anything after the fact, maybe like change the contract amount or change, things that are particular to your particular industry. But with that said, I'm super excited to start implementing this within my own businesses and with my clients, and I'll see you guys in the next video.